So today we're going to be putting these tomatoes into a grow bag. So I'm going to take them and put them, I'm going to get them into them and then I'm going to put them into a grow bag. So a lot of these, some of them have got flowers on these, so there's a bunch of flowers over there, if you can see them ones there. And then there's some right down here, but you can't see. And then there's just a few of them around here. Well, quite hard to see. So I'm going to get some of these ones and put them like into a grow bag. So I'm going to get them by each one. So I'm going to cut like a circle around them, then I'm going to put the tomatoes in there, just cut around it. I am not the best cutter in the world, but I don't normally cut. I'm just going to put this plastic over there. So that's where we're going to put like we're going to put that pot onto there, and then we're going to put the tomato in. So I'm going to try. So now I've done that, I'm gonna put these pots into those. So now guys, we like cut like a hole like across there, and we put like a pot on there. So what I'm gonna do is I get one of these. I'm gonna like grab it like that and like do it like that. So we've got 4 tomatoes. So I'm gonna put 2 in one pot. But if you like plant them and like put the side where like the first are like there, it will grow more roots. At the back, I'm going to put one of them in the back and then one of them, I'm going to put one there and one there. So I'm going to get this one here, I'm going to pat it out. So this one's got a little bit more hairs than the other. Do you see all them hairs? Because like that. So if you plant them in the soil, it's going to grow a lot more roots than the others are. I think that one's got the most hairs. So I've got them all in. So we planted them and put some string around for the tomatoes to like grow up out there. I'm going to put one of them on there. And we're going to put a string on this one as well, but I haven't just done that yet. We're going to put that one in a minute. So like and subscribe for 59 years of good luck. Bye.